This kind of meal takes me right back home, man. This is boulèt, Haitian meatballs. I served it with some bun and pizza, also known as tostones, and a simple version of a pickles. I got a friend of mine that's been bugging me for over a year now to make a recipe video of this on my page, so I figured I'ma just do it. I start off by seasoning the ground beef with some of my very nice salt, pepper seasoning, adding some minced onions, and I soaked some bread in some milk. I had to call my mom for that tip. Then I shaped them into the meatballs and set them aside. I got 2 green plantains, 1 slightly yellow. Remove the skin off and cut them into thirds. Then we're gonna do that first fry and set them aside while we work on that simple pickles I told y'all about. Grab some green peppers and some onions, slice those up and place them in a bowl. That liquid I'm pouring on top is some vinegar with my very nice salt, pepper seasoning. Then I add some lime juice and a little Epice water. If you know, you know. Now back to those plantains, I'm gonna go ahead and smash them down and make a little salt water to soak them in real quick before we go ahead and do that second fry. Fry them on medium heat until they're nice and crispy. Man, I remember growing up in Haiti, I used to beg